Okay, so this video tutorial is for my dear favorite good friend event success. So this is a kick tutorial. Okay, so okay, so Michael Jackson has a very special kick, and I recently watched a video. The sensei said that Michael Jackson's kick equal to black belt martial art fighter. Okay, so let's break it down. Okay, okay, so it's like okay, so we have to use the force, like when you do the punch, like here you have to relax the muscle, and then with this one you can do it like this. You jump, you have to have a little jump first. Okay, have a little jump first, and then you push your right leg backward, jump, and then you go here, and then okay, so that's one point here, and then you just like you kick like here, but you will have a kick from the and stop in the mid air like this. Okay, so the first one, jump. Okay, the first one is jump and move your leg backward. Okay, and then you kick. Okay, okay, jump, kick. Okay, so you stop in the mid air. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, here. Okay, 1, 2. Don't just some mistake from the for beginners, like you kick and then you just put it down like this. No, no, no. You kick and then you stop at mid air. Okay, so move backward. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, 3 like here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so and 4. Okay, so as you can see, the kick is looks simple, but it's not easy. Okay, so simple but not easy. Simple to do but not easy to master. Okay, so I have to practice every day. So just kick with the jump here. Okay, and then you kick, jump backward a bit, then come backward a bit. Okay, okay, jump backward a bit, okay, jump backward a bit, and then you kick, and then you do this one. Okay, so here we go. So okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, so that's another dance move that you combine with the kick, and many things that you do with my dance move. Okay, so that's another kick too. Okay, so I will see you in the next video from this kick to this kick. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope that my dear favorite good friend enjoy this one. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay.